COVID-19 is a newly discovered infectious disease which causes mild to moderate respiratory illness like cough, fever, breathing problem etc. It generally spreads mainly through droplets of saliva or discharge from the nose when an infected person coughs or sneezes or talks. In such situation, the chances of spreading COVID-19 is more in high gathering places like corporate offices, banks, airports, hospitals, metro stations, railway stations etc. It is quite impossible for a person to do thermal scanning to check on everyone, and the person who is checking can get the COVID-19 disease. Moreover, it is a timely procedure to completely disinfect those human beings in high gathering places. To overcome this problem, we introduce a microcontroller-operated infrared-based automated thermal scanning system through which the temperature of a normal human can be monitored without the help of another human being. We also introduce a sanitizer spraying disinfectant gateway tunnel which can supposedly disinfect and sanitize people in just seconds. So we introduce a microcontroller-operated infrared-based automated thermal scanning system along with sanitizer spraying disinfected gateway tunnel with efficient COVID-19 controlling strategy. To understand our project, first we will simply describe it by animated video model, then we will see the circuit diagram of our project and run our code in Tinkercad online web browser where we have designed our circuit and run our proposed algorithm. Now let's see the working animated video model. Here we see that two person are waiting for thermal scanning to get enter into the bank. Then stand here for thermal scanning will be printed in the LCD screen. Then first person will start to move towards the circular section for thermal scanning. Then there is a microcontroller-operated infrared-based automated thermal scanning system which will first measure the height of the person with help of ultrasonic sensor and send the data to the Arduino. After measuring the height, thermal scanner will come down to his forehead for measuring the temperature of that person and send the data to the Arduino. Here in this video you can see that how the thermal scanner measures the temperature of that person. After that, if the temperature of the person is greater that threshold value, that is 98.6 degree Fahrenheit, then red signal will be turned on and there will be a centralized announcement to alert that person, and the person may be infected with COVID-19 and the person would not be allowed to enter to that place. Here on this video you can see that the person is sent to hospital for COVID-19 test by the health authority. Now if the test result is positive, then the person will be taken under isolation. If the temperature of the person is lower than the threshold value, that is less than 98.6 degree, then the person is disinfectant. After that, the green signal will be turned on and go for sanitization message will be printed on the LCD screen, and the man will be able to go to the next section, that is sanitizer spraying disinfectant gateway tunnel. Only after complete sanitization the person is allowed to enter to that place. Here in this video you can see that go for sanitization message is printed on the LCD screen. After that the person will enter sanitizer spraying disinfectant gateway tunnel. Now passive infrared sensor will check whether any person has entered into gateway tunnel or not. Now if the PIR sensor detects that the person has entered, then the sanitization process will start. Sanitization process on progress will be print on the LCD screen. Then the sanitizer will be sprayed from the right and left side of the person. After that the door will automatically open for that person and the person will be allowed to that place. Again the next person will go to the circular section for thermal scanning and the whole process will continue again. Through this system we can control COVID-19 and prevent anyone from coming in contact, and it purportedly kills 99% of viruses. Now we will discuss about the working circuit diagram of our proposed system in Tinkercad web browser, and we will simulate our code to show you how our system works. Before starting simulation of our code, first we will discuss the purpose of these components in this circuit. Here Arduino operates the entire components. Ultrasonic sensor is used to measure the height of the person. Then the lower servomotor is used for moving the infrared sensor. After that there is an infrared sensor which is used to measure temperature. LCD screen is used to display the all messages. Green and red light and buzzer is used to alert the person. Here PIR sensor is used to detect the presence of any human being. The above three servo motors are used for sanitization purpose. The right-hand side servo motor is used for opening and closing the automatic door. In this simulation we will show you how our system works under different condition. In the first simulation we will provide the temperature less than 98.6 degree, then we will see what will happen in our circuit. Here we see that "Stand here for thermal scanning" message is printed on the LCD screen, and it is scrolling from right to left direction. Then measuring the height of the person with the help of ultrasonic sensor, the left-hand side servo motor will rotate according to the person's height for measuring the temperature of that person. You can see that thermal scanning is printed on the LCD screen. It means that MLX 90614 infrared temperature sensor is scanning the temperature of that person. Now suppose the temperature of the first person is less than 98.6 degree, then the temperature of that person will be shown in LCD screen. After measuring the temperature, servo motor will rotate back to its original position. Now you can see that green signal is turned on and "Go for sanitization" is printed on the LCD screen. After that, green signal will be turned off. Now here two scenarios are possible. The person may or may not enter to the sanitizer spraying disinfectant gateway tunnel. For this reason we provide a PIR sensor in the gateway tunnel which will detect the presence of the human being. If the person is entered to the gateway tunnel after verified thermal scanning, then PIR sensor detects it, and then above 3 servo motors will rotate for sanitization. Here you can see that sanitization in progress message is displayed on the LCD screen. After that sanitization done message is shown on the LCD, and then all 3 servomotors are rotated back to their original position. Then right-hand side servo motor will rotate for automatic door opening system, and after entering the person the door will be automatically closed. Person has entered message will be displayed on the LCD screen. Now you can see that after verified thermal scanning, if the person doesn't enter to the gateway tunnel, then the PIR sensor will not detect the presence of the human being, and sanitization not done message will be displayed on the LCD screen. After that, the same process will start again for the next person. Now you can see that in the third simulation the temperature of the new person is greater than the 98.6 degree. After thermal scanning, the temperature of that person is printed in the LCD screen. Then servo motor rotates back in its original position. After that, the red signal and the buzzer both are turned on to alert that person, and it is used as auto-centralized announcement. Then "You cannot enter" message will be printed on the LCD screen. Now you can see that "Go for COVID-19 test" is displayed on the LCD screen, and the red signal and the buzzer is turned off. Then person will be sent to hospital for COVID-19 test by the health authority. That's all about our proposed system. This whole project is done by Sandeep Kumar Karmakar and Tanika Das. Thank you for watching this video.